Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Solana price prediction and Solana news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Solana in 2022. Solana is a highly functional open source project that relies on the free nature of blockchain technology to create decentralized finance (DeFi) solutions. The idea and initial work on the project began in 2017. Solana was officially launched in March 2020 by the Solana Foundation, headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Thanks to its innovative hybrid consensus model, Solana is of interest to both small traders and institutional investors. The focus of the Solana Foundation is to make decentralized finance available on a larger scale. Anatoly Yakovenko is the face of the Solana project. His professional career began at Qualcomm, where he quickly rose through the ranks to become senior engineering manager in 2015. Later, his professional path changed, and Yakovenko moved to the position of a programmer at Dropbox. In 2017, Yakovenko began work on a project that would later come to life as Solana. He teamed up with his Qualcomm colleague Greg Fitzgerald, and they founded a project called Solana Labs. With the involvement of several more former Qualcomm colleagues in the process, the Solana protocol and the Sol token went public in 2020. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Solana. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and Terra Luna daily price analysis. 26 February morning price prediction. The global crypto market has gained 1.26% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin turns bearish, losing 0.19% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum continues to grow, adding 2.97% in the previous 24 hours. Solana and Terra Luna are bullish, adding 0.87% and 12.00%, respectively. The market has continued fluctuating as there have been changes in the global political situation. There is no improvement in the Russia-Ukraine crisis, as there has been no compromise from the Russian side. If it continues like this, there will be huge impacts on the crypto market, especially Bitcoin. There have been several reservations about crypto in the Western world. The reason is its use by the Russian side for their benefit. If they sanction Russia, it has alternatives in crypto to save itself. Thus, it has led to increased concerns about crypto. There has been a shift seen in the war situation. Despite the difficult ongoing situation, there are prospects of improvement in crypto value. There is a possibility that Russia and Ukraine might join a table for negotiations. Consequently, it has resulted in some improvements in the crypto value. Currently, there is no sure news about negotiations. Still, the market has shown improvements. On the other side, there is no growth in the value of Bitcoin. It will readily begin to grow once the problem is solved. The Russian invasion of Ukraine has led to Russian exclusion from SWIFT payments. Thus, there are chances that it will affect the crypto market because of the bulk of Russian investment. Here is a brief overview of the market situation using leading currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. Sol continues bullish. Solana has been fortunate as it has continued to gain from the unhindered investments. The data for the last 7 days shows that it has gained 0.6. Could Solana see a bounce here as it approaches the demand zone? The trend in recent months for Solana has been firmly bearish. In 2021, Solana and its native token Sol experienced tremendous growth. The price climbed from $1.5 at the beginning of 2021 to $259.9 at its zenith. In the past few weeks, the $80 area was tested in search of demand, and Sol climbed back to the $116-$120 area. At press time, the price was once again just above the $79.4 support level. The most pertinent question here is, can another bounce arrive? The premise for yet another bounce from the $80 area, cyan box, is the assumption that Bitcoin may be near a local bottom, and Solana could follow its lead. However, this was not yet proved to be the case, and demand was simply not present. Demand is the prerequisite for a short-term rally. The RSI has been unable to push above the 60 mark during Solana's rally earlier in February. Subsequently, the RSI dropped below neutral 50 and nearly reached the oversold territory. In the next few days, if you are looking for Solana price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030, then you have come to the right place. We will share some of the most anticipated questions that seriously require attention and accurate answers. Sol rate prediction 2022. Sol will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Solana rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2022, the Solana rate will be almost $122.19. The maximum bet we can get is $142.07. Solana average price prediction for the end of 2022 could be around $125.72. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Sol price prediction 2023. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are sure that the long-term price forecast for Sol will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2023 could end with an average bid of $182.67 and a minimum bid of $177.65. The maximum bid is expected to be around $211.87. Sol price forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Solana price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of Sol will rise to around $262.85 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year could end with a maximum price of $312.30 with a minimum price $255.55 level. Solana price prediction 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Solana will skyrocket, with a maximum trading price of $446.11 in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $381.94 with a maximum price of $446.11 for 2025. Sol rate prediction 2026. The value of Solana will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. Sol is expected to top out at $641.51 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it's very optimistic that Solana's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Sol will be between $508.24 and $523.51 expected in 2026 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Sol ranges from $508.24 to $641.51 for 2026. Solana price prediction 2027. Solana's current price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Sol could reach $886.45 by 2027, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $731.64 for 2027, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2027. Solana price prediction 2028. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Solana could cross $1,220.19 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2028. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2028 will be around $1,052.77. Sol price prediction 2029. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this forecasting